Ipsy Glam bag, May 2023. Hopefully is a good bag. Let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Did already receive the boxy charm by Ipsy. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it in the comments. Let's see. Of the pack, summer vacay on the books, let yourself bloom. This one you do get product information, which I love. Here is our little bag. How cute. I like the material. There's your little bag here. Oh my god, I'm so hot right now. Okay, really cute. It says Ipsy. Let's see what we have. Oh, first thing I got here is by Ciate London. I love when I see brands that I know and I really wanted to try. Ciate London. It's the Velvet Skin Cream Blush in Fancy. Your cheeks a sun-kissed berry glow just in time for spring. This creamy blush is not only buildable and blendable, but it also has good for you ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C. The full size is $22. I like Ciate London. I love their packaging too. Oh, it's really cute. Really cute if you want to put it like in a little traveling bag for touch-ups. Cream blush. I'm like getting into cream blushes. I was never into cream blushes before just because I have oily skin. But you'll see a video, probably a short video, reviewing this so you can see how it looks on. So the first thing, Byroy. Is it Byroy? Let's see what it says. Byroy Kiwi Detox Gel Cleanser. Right, so I have oily skin, so I love a gel cleanser. Nourishing superfood boosted cleanser helps to amp up your skin's natural moisture barrier while going deep within your pores to help clean out impurities. With the addition of soothing arnica and decongesting triple acid complex, your skin will feel calmer and refreshed. And the full size of this is $38. Wow, nicely sealed. It says it's vegan, cruelty free, made in Korea. AHA, BHA, PHA. Alright, excited for that. I'll keep you updated. Probably put that in the shower right now. What else? Another little mini, and this is the Nuco Skin Filter Serum. Want all the benefits of retinol without the reaction? This retinol alternative is suitable for all skin types, yes, even sensitive. Powered by plant-based extracts, AHAs, and hyaluronic acid, works to help smooth fine lines, clear blemishes, and brighten skin tone, all without the redness. And the full size is $65. What? The Nuco. Okay, must be a really fancy brand. USA. I'll try to use it. I'm trying the tretinoin. I forgot once, and because I just started and I put it 2 days in a row, my face, oh my god. Little lipstick here. I love receiving these, especially when it's a shade that I like. This looks like a shade that I like. What brand is this by? Oh, Ofra. Okay, again, two brands that I like, Ofra and Ciate London. It's a plus, and products that I feel like I will use, so that's good. Long-lasting liquid lipstick. Okay, so the Ofra Cosmetics long-lasting liquid lipstick in Pasadena. Universally flattering mauve shade is guaranteed to be your new everyday essential. The ultra comfortable formula is a perfect balance of matte but hydrating, so your lips look pigmented and feel healthy and soft. Win-win. And the full size is $20. So look how pretty. I hope it's scented. I like scented lipstick. I don't know. I have to try it on. I can't. Ooh, did I get it on myself? Can't wait to try it. I love a nice mauve shade, especially if it's matte and is hydrating. That's another plus. Purlisse. I love Purlisse. Love Purlisse. I've talked about their matcha green tea moisturizer so many times because moisturizer and primer. This is the Perlise Help Replenish and Restore Your Skin's Barrier with the Supercharged Moisturizer. It features skin soothing niacinamide and antioxidant rich dragon fruit to hydrate and help protect your skin's natural moisture barrier. Full size is $35. So really cool. I think it was a good bag. I don't think there's anything that I would say that I wouldn't use that is not like for my skin type, my color preferences. I was thinking like, should I keep getting this one or just the BoxyCharm? But I don't know, I really like it. It was a good month, so now it's hard for me to like pause it or cancel it for next month. Let me know if you still receive these. Like, is there any other subscription that you like more? Let me know. I've tried Allure. What else? I don't remember the names. I think maybe just Allure, BoxyCharm, and Ipsy. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see like swatches and mini reviews of these. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.